Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to solve a Python program, that is develop a Python code to print the sum of 100 numbers using a while loop. So you have to iterate all the numbers from 0 to 100 and you have to find the sum. And for iteration purpose, so you have to use a while loop. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable total and let's initialize it to 0. So once we are done with the total, so let's take a index variable. So this will iterate from 0 to the 100. So index equals to 0. Yeah, so once we are done with the initialization, so let's use a while loop and check the condition. The condition is while index is less than or equals to 100. So what you have to do is just add the index to the total. So let me do that. Total equals to total plus the index. And yeah, so this is the checking the condition and getting the sum of 100 numbers. And one more thing we have to use with the while loop is, so we have to increment the index. So let me do that. Index equals to index plus 1. Yeah, so once we are done with the while loop, so once the while loop is completed, so you will be having the sum of 100 numbers stored in this variable, that is total variable. So let's try to print it. So I'll be using a print function and let me copy the same. That is the sum of 100 numbers is, let's give colon and let's try to print the total variable. Yeah, so this is the complete Python program or the Python code to print the sum of 100 numbers using the while loop. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see the sum of 100 numbers is 5055. So you can confirm this by manually calculating the numbers from 0 to 100. Yeah, so this is a complete Python code to print the sum of 100 numbers using the while loop. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.